Being a role model is a choice, and they continuously make decisions that allow them to have this title. If anybody did have any doubt that these two were meant to be together for life, they have proved their resilience by traveling the country by car many times, being on several significant plane delays, living extended periods in trailers and studios, battling significant electrical outages due to wildfire, homelessness, and the stress of having their wedding postponed by a year due to a global pandemic. They can lean on each other for any challenge life brings their way and come out thriving.
Justin, you are a part of Laura's growth. I'm confident that you will be her rock, loving her, protecting her as you build a life together. I know your shared love will last a lifetime. So I would like to propose a toast. Here's to the past for all you have learned. Here's to the present for all that you share. And here's to the future for all that you look forward to together. To their greatest adventure yet, to Laura and Justin.
Searching in the dark, your sweat soaking through the floor. And buried in your bones, there's an ache that you can't ignore. Taking your breath, stealing your mind, and all that was real is left behind. Don't fight it, it's coming from your mind. It's this moment, don't care what can happen. You'll feel the drum, can't you see? Just surrender, cause you feel the feeling taking over. It's fire, it's freedom, it's fully open.
Special thanks to Maria Luke and the whole crowd for putting it together.